Through apt, I can see the installed versions with the -i, and then, for example, grab Alacrity, which is the program that I'm currently using. Then I can see that Alacrity is installed, and I assumed that I can do the same with SDK, where I can see something like this installed, and I will be able to see the versions that I have. Unfortunately, this doesn't work, and I can see only the current version. But I know that I have more than one version of Java, so the way to display it is doing the following. And then it shows that Java 23 is the default version, and I also have the 21. But I can't do it with the flag. And this issue was raised in 2016 and closed without providing the -i solution.